I want to see your comments. Woo! Look at this. Oh, is the value there? Oh my god! You're kidding. It's that time of year again. Let's take a look at what's inside this year's YESSTYLE advent calendar. And apparently it's 24 full-sized makeup and skincare products. Full size is crazy. The details about this product will be down in the description below, but briefly, it is over $500 worth of product for $164.90. I also have a rewards code you could use to get an extra discount off of that. And official launch date and pre-order dates will be in the description box. Look at this. An additional drawer down here with the rest of the items. So let's take a look and see inside, because I don't know about you, but I love advent calendars, but I also don't love surprises. I like to know exactly what I'm spending my money on, so that's what we're gonna show today. Number one is this Red Panda, a brand I know and love. This is the Pyeongkang Yul Cleansing Balm. Original price, this is $18.10 for 100 mils of products. You know, at the end of the video, I'm gonna add up all the value and let you know what the total value is, actually. Day two is in the drawer, and it has a little toner on the front, so I wonder if that's a hint. It was not a hint, but this is the Lily by Red Love Beam Cheek Balm. Original price is $10.20. Classic nude pink. This blush has over 360 reviews on YESSTYLE, and it's pretty much 5 stars. Day three, and I am going to be putting them back in their places because I also want to film a TikTok unboxing of this. So if you're not following me on TikTok or Instagram, you should, because I post a lot. Number three, what you gonna be, is this. Oh, this is the iconic Kahi balm stick that you may have seen in several Korean dramas. Original price, this is $31.70. And in the dramas, you would see them being like, oh, you look tired. And then they just go, oh, let me fix that. And put this under their eyes, and they're like, do I look better? And they go, much better. They've paid a lot of money for marketing, and it seems like it's paid off because this is a bestseller now. Y'all, no joke, this is amazing so far. Day four, I love advent calendars, man. It is the Twinkle Pop Glittering Eye Stick in the shade 11. Original price is $7. Oh my gosh, it's a gorgeous rose gold. Because I love eyeshadow sticks, I'll definitely be using this. Ooh! What if I put this on my eyes right now? Because I wore really, really simple makeup for this video just in case I wanted to do stuff like this. That did something. Whoa, this has over 1,600 reviews. This is by the brand Clio, not Twinkle Pop. Duh, Clio is such a well-known brand. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Number five. Okay, so this is Beauty of Chosun. I love Beauty of Chosun. Come on. And this is the calming serum with green tea and propanediol. Oh, panthenol, not propanediol. Original price is $17. I have bought so many of the Beauty of Chosun Calming Rice Sunscreen, the SPF 50. And now I'm gonna have the calming serum because, you know, everyone's all about the calming, soothing skincare these days. There's literally not been a single miss so far. Number 6 is in here. Will it be a mascara? No, but it is a brow product. This is the Romand Han All Brow Fixer. Original price is $8.30. I love that the spoolie is small. It looks like it's a clear brow gel, actually. So I usually favor tinted eyebrow gels, but could have a use for this. Number 7. Ooh, it's very tall. This is the Sonbami Retinol Intense Eye Cream, and I have used the Sonbami PHA, BHA, AHA toner and moisturizer. That's what they're most famous for. Original price is $24.40. I don't use a ton of eye cream, especially retinol products, because I have prescription tretinoin, so I'll probably give this to my sister. Now we're on to number 8. This one. Etude Lash Perm Volume Fix Mascara. Original price for this is $12. You may know Etude House from their lip tints. That's what they're most well known for. The box for number 9 is so cute. Oh, Fruitia. It's the Reprost Essential Blending Hand Cream. Original price is $9. I'm looking at this green. Apparently it has 3 different scent options. This is the green essential scent, which has geranium oil and bergamot, which is good with me. I love a little bit of a green citrus. If you are a healthcare worker, buy some hand cream, please. Number 10. Oh, it's the McQueen Fake Up 3-color shading in the color 01 Beige Brown. I think it's like 3 stripes of different contour and bronzing colors. Yes, exactly. Oh, cheaper than I thought. Original price is $11.90. I really prefer Korean bronzing and contouring products over American. Granted, it's not impossible to find a shade that works or looks good on me, but I just don't need to think if there's a product like this. Number 11. Looks like skincare. I literally have this in my drawer back there. This is the iUnique Centella Calming Daily Sunscreen. Original price is $13.10. I love sunscreen. I need to make a sunscreen for people who hate sunscreen video. It's been on my mind for a long time, so I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Ooh, that neck pop. Number 12, this skinny girl right here. Ooh, this is the Amuse Dew Tint in the shade 9. Woo! Original price, this is $22, which is pretty expensive for like a Korean lip tint. You can find them for like as low as $5. No wonder I haven't heard of this brand, because she's out of my price range usually, but not with this box. Oh, the packaging is very luxe though. I'm gonna do another swatch. Oops. Well, I guess that's gonna be my swatch spot. Just what I thought. It's a peachy lip tint and it has a glossy finish, which I've been liking lately. Let me put it on top actually. I'm just wearing like a cream lipstick right now. Oh wow, that's very warm. Okay. Cute. Ooh, I wiped it off with a napkin and that's the stain it leaves behind. So good stain. Oh my gosh, this eye pencil is really staying on too when I try to wipe it off. Look at this. Oh, we're only halfway done. Okay, 13. Ooh, feels heavy, like skincare in a glass bottle. What did I say? This is the Haru Haru Black Rice Hyaluronic Essence. Original price is $28. Relax, Sally, relax. My heart is literally like, I'm so excited. I'm so happy right now. Haru Haru is known for their black rice toner, their black rice moisturizer, these being fermented black rice. And now there's a hyaluronic essence. 14. Feels heavy. This is a brand I don't know. It's the Wake Make Stay Fixer Packed Vegan. This is supposed to absorb excess sebum, leave skin looking smooth with matte finish. So maybe I'll give this to my sister because I don't mind looking a little oily, you know, a little glowy, but I know that's kind of more of a newer trend in makeup, and my sister has a lot oily skin than I do. It's $18.10. Number 15, this girly here. It's the Kulf Blueberry and Cream Ice Pop Hydrogel Eye Masks. These have shea butter, blueberry fruit extract, adenosine, and retinol palmitate. $17.10. 16. Ooh, it's from Holika Holika Double Eyelid Liner. Okay, so it sounds like this is like a glue that you draw on. This one I actually may not use that much because I love my monolids. It's true, it's true. Character development, people. I know this also helps people who, like, when you sleep and you wake up with uneven eyelids. Original price, $4.80. So cheap. 17 is this one. I see a brand I know. It's the CosRx Hyaluronic Acid 3 Serum with amino acids and ceramide. Love a good hyaluronic acid peptide ceramide serum. Or amino acids, not peptides, because peptides are like chains of amino acids. Never mind, whatever. Original price, this is $22.40. Number 18. This is a big one. Bigger is not always better, guys. Eyeshadow palette from Peach Sea. Before I open this, I'm gonna remind y'all that you better like this video and better subscribe to me if you're not subscribed already. Oh my God, guys. Okay. I thought it was an eyeshadow palette. I should have known because it was pretty light, but it's makeup brushes. Oh, there's another one. Oh, it's a little pouch for them. I should have read the package. This is the tuning brush set. Original price is $12.50. Ironically, that was actually an example of bigger is not always better. 19. Oh, so cute. Ooh, Dear Claire's. Dear Claire's Rich Moist Foaming Cleanser. So it's with a foaming pump. Original price is $18. I love Dear Claire's hyaluronic acid toner, and their airy sunscreen is one of my favorite sunscreens. Okay, almost there. Number 20. Ooh, Peri Para Ink Velvet Lip Tint and Liner Sets. This is so cute. Oh, the Ink Velvet in the shade Rosy Nude. The Ink Velvet lip tint is $9.90, originally priced. Ooh, and it comes with a matching lip liner. I actually can't find this on YESSTYLE, but on Amazon the price is $9. Number 21. This is the Axis Y PHA Resurfacing Glow Peel. Axis Y is best known for their dark spot correcting serum. Original price is $18. Ooh, 10% PHA resurfacing water peel. PHAs are nice, they're a little gentler than AHAs, but still a chemical exfoliant for that top layer of dead skin. We all know this by now. Day 22. Oh! Saved my finger. This one, this is the Art Class. So Art Class is another brand that has that 3-shade bronzer contour product, but this is their Frontage pencil in the shade 01 Shining Linen. So this looks like another nice inner corner highlight stick. Original price, this is $8.80. Two more, 23. Feels like skincare. Oh, Maison. This is the brand that's known for their snail mucin, and this is the Phyto Plump Collagen Night Cream. Is anyone else's favorite step in their skincare routine moisturizer? Because I just feel like the feel of moisturizer, just nothing beats it. Original price, this is $25.71, which is kind of specific, but that's what YESSTYLE says. What's funny is my mom, I give her a lot of skincare, and the trend now is for everything to be fragrance-free and super gentle and stuff. And she said she kind of wanted a cream that's scented. So let me see if this is scented. Ooh, look at that texture. It doesn't smell like anything. What is gonna be day 24? The one to end it all. It is a big box. This time, will bigger mean better? Ooh. I'm not gonna say anything because last time, it's an eyeshadow palette, or it's like an eyeshadow glitter palette. This is from Unleashia. It's the Glitterpedia. Oh, fuck. Okay, she's all right, guys. She's all right. She's all right. Original price for this is $19.30, and this is in the shade number 1. This has 1,400 reviews, and it's 5 stars. Wow. I'm in my last few minutes of sunlight, but are y'all ready for the total? So the price of this advent calendar, which again has 24 full-size makeup and skincare items, is $64.90, and it's even a little bit cheaper if you use my rewards code or anyone else's rewards code. And the total value is $378.21. I can't tell if I left out one product, and I cannot find what it is right now, so I will double check this value as I'm editing the video, and if that value changes, I'll put it here. Okay, total value, not quite $500, but is the value there? Yes, it's your money. You decide for yourself, as always. I literally felt like a child, like a kid opening Christmas presents. It's like the joy of opening a package times 24. Let me know your thoughts if you think that it's actually worth it, if I'm just like hyped in the moment because I'm having so much fun, but I wanna see your comments. Out of these 24 items, I would use at least 20 of them, and that is like a really good ratio. Reminder, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or if you liked me, you should subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And why didn't you do that the first time I asked? I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Remember that y'all are my treasure. Find the beauty in every day, but most importantly, be kind to yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!